Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing video for Mugen Power t-shirt. If you guys want me to post more unboxing videos, do support me down my Ko-fi by donating, and the link will be in the description below. Anyways, peace out. This is the Mugen Power t-shirt. If you are searching this and watching this, you should know what it is. But if for those that don't know, Mugen is a company where they produce aftermarket mods for specifically Hondas. And if I'm not wrong, the creator is actually an investor of Honda, like a huge investor. Yeah. Anyways, this shirt is made of polyester, and it's okay. You could say it's a dry fit shirt. Anyways, we start off from here. You can see that the Mugen name is written here on the back. I don't know what this thing is called, the tag. Yeah. This shirt overall, it's quite nice. It's quite big. The printing, I would say it's a bit I would say you need to know how to take care of it, because you know there are shirts where the printing breaks apart. This is one of those shirts if you do not know how to take care of it. But yeah, so on the back we have a big Mugen Power logo on the back, like written here, so everybody can see it when you wear it. Now, on the front is the Honda logo on your right and the Mugen Power on your left. It's just a plain black shirt on the front, apart from the two logos. So you do get that big logo behind to let people know, you know, I'm wearing a Mugen shirt. And on the sleeves, on your right sleeve, you actually also have a Mugen symbol here. Look. So it's pretty much printed everywhere that you possibly can have it, in the Honda symbol here. And on your left sleeve, you actually have the Honda Racing wording on it, which is cool. And yeah, this shirt overall, it's a very good shirt. I mean, it looks cool, it looks good. You know, I mean, this is expected, but it's made in China. I mean, yeah. So I mean, who doesn't expect that, right? But alright, so this shirt fits true to its size. You know, it's a good fit. But the only complaint I have is probably the collar. It's a bit tight. I don't know if it's just me or if it's for everyone. But for me, it's quite tight. Like it's just nice to the point where it's a bit kind of choking me. But it's a sports shirt, so yeah.